You guys ever notice how the exact same video can perform differently just based on the caption? I spent all week editing some shorts, and honestly, my captions were sounding completely flat. I was just typing, check this out, or this is cool, and engagement was just dead. It's like we all see those videos that say, it's honestly sad it's gotten to this point, or who can relate, and those things just blow up. But the problem is, I'm not creative enough to come up with 10 different ways to say the same thing every single day. So I built a tool to fix that. It's called Caption Craft. Right here, I'm going to run it live. I'll take that flat topic. I spent all week editing shorts, and my captions still sound flat. And I'll just paste that into the trending format field. I'll set the count to 5, and then I'm hitting generate captions. Give it a second to process, and right here, that is your output. You've got a hope core version, a relatable one, even a satire one. It's taking that one boring thought and giving me 5 different ways to frame it for the algorithm. From here, I can click to copy what I like, or just hit export TXT to save the whole batch. It's a massive time saver for the content workflow. This is a small Python desktop app. I built it in Cursor, which is the AI editor I use for all these projects. You can head over to caseybuildsit.com, grab it from the files or free tools section, and run it right on your desktop. You also get the full build prompt included, so you can take that into Cursor or any AI you like, change the categories, or tweak the tone to match your specific brand. It's all yours to customize. Go grab it at caseybuildsit.com and stop staring at a blank screen every time you're ready to post. Until next time, go out and use Cursor to build something useful.